Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a hitch on your 2022 Toyota Highlander. So I bought this hitch on eTrailer.com. I'll put the link in the description below. This is a class 3 trailer hitch. First step is to remove this panel on the bottom. So we have this one on the left and one on the right. To remove the panel cover, we need to remove some plastic rivets as well as some screws. And the last two nuts are hiding right beside here, beside the tire. We just removed this left panel and this is what it looks like. And we need to remove all these black covers so we can fit the new hitch. And we have this bracket support that we need to remove as well. So this is how I put the hitch in place. I use a bottle jack and two jack stand as well as this ratchet. Since I'm by myself, it's kind of hard to put it in place. So as you can see, I just put it the ratchet like this. Next step is to install the bolt and washer that came from the hitch. Then do the same on the other side. Since these bolts are kind of hard to install, I'm going to use this bottle jack to lift the other side of the hitch. Then we're going to use an impact wrench to tighten all the bolts. After we reinstall all the bolts, we can now remove the ratchet and reinstall all the rivets. Using a torque wrench, torque all those bolts to 86 foot-pounds. And we're going to use this oscillating tool to trim the left panel so it will fit on the bottom of the hitch. Here's the one that I removed from the panel. As you can see, it fits perfectly on the hitch. Last step is to reinstall all screws and plastic rivets on the panel. And that's how you install a trailer hitch on your 2022 Toyota Highlander. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.